Good morning, class. Today, we are going to talk about something you might have seen online: clickbait. It's a part of digital citizenship that we all need to understand. Purav, can you start the discussion?
Sure, clickbait is when someone uses a catchy headline or an eye-catching image to get you to click on a link. It's often misleading or exaggerated to grab your attention, but the content might not be as interesting or important as it seems.
That's right, Purav. Clickbait can be really tempting because it makes us curious. We might see a headline like "You won't believe what happens next" and feel like we have to click to find out. But usually, the article or video isn't as exciting as the headline makes it sound.
And sometimes, clickbait can be more than just annoying, it can also be dangerous. Some clickbait links might lead to websites that have viruses or try to steal your personal information. That's why it's important to be careful and think before clicking on anything that seems too good to be true.
Exactly, issue. A good way to avoid falling for clickbait is to check the source. If the website or person posting it isn't trustworthy, it's better not to click. We can also look for clues in the headline itself. If it sounds too dramatic or unbelievable, it's probably clickbait.
And we should also be aware that clickbait can spread misinformation. Sometimes, these articles are shared a lot, even though they're not true. By clicking and sharing without checking the facts, we can accidentally help spread false information.
That's a good point, Animesh. Instead of clicking on clickbait, we can look for reliable sources to get our news and information. It's better to read from websites we know and trust, even if the headlines aren't as flashy.
And let's not forget that we should be careful about the content we create, too. We shouldn't use clickbait ourselves just to get more views or likes. It's important to be honest with our audience and not trick them into clicking on our content.
Yes, being a responsible digital citizen means thinking about how our actions affect others online. If we avoid clickbait and create honest content, we help make the internet a better place for everyone.
And remember, if you do come across clickbait, it's best to ignore it or report it if it seems harmful. We can also talk to an adult if we're unsure about something we see online.
Absolutely. By being smart about what we click on, we can protect ourselves from scams and help stop the spread of misinformation. It's all about making good choices online.
Well done, everyone. You've shared some great insights about clickbait and how to avoid it. Remember, being a smart and responsible digital citizen means thinking carefully about what we click on and share. Keep these tips in mind as you continue exploring the internet.